Dear friends, welcome to my video. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Quantum physics, otherwise known as quantum mechanics, has long been perceived as a subject that's as mystifying as it is critical. Emerging in the early 20th century as an attempt to explain behaviors and phenomena at the atomic and subatomic levels that classical physics couldn't, it's since evolved into a cornerstone of modern science. The key question often posed is, why is quantum physics important? Quantum physics provides a framework for understanding how particles such as electrons and photons behave. It diverges from classical physics by introducing radical concepts like superposition and entanglement, thus shaping a profound understanding of nature and the universe. To start, the quantum theory principle of superposition posits that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until measured. This could potentially revolutionize computing, leading to quantum computers vastly more powerful than any supercomputer today. Entanglement, another bizarre yet integral feature of quantum mechanics, involves particles becoming interconnected such that the state of one instantaneously influences the other, no matter the distance separating them. This spooky action at a distance, as Einstein once referred to it, is the basis of emerging technologies like quantum cryptography, which could produce unbreakable encryption codes, bolstering security in data transmission. Beyond these applications, quantum physics is instrumental in explaining numerous phenomena and powering various technologies we take for granted today. For instance, the fundamental principle that energy is quantized explains why the sun emits light, the reason being that photons are generated when electrons in the sun's atoms transition between energy levels. It also powers the technology behind various devices. Semiconductors, the bedrock of modern electronics from our smartphones to computers, rely on quantum physics. It explains how electrons move through these materials and how devices like transistors, which form the building blocks of electronic devices, function. Furthermore, quantum physics is crucial in understanding the universe itself. Quantum field theory, a confluence of quantum mechanics and special relativity, is integral in explaining the fundamental forces of the universe, excluding gravity. The standard model of particle physics, which describes how fundamental particles interact and behave, is deeply rooted in quantum mechanics. The importance of quantum physics transcends academia and permeates into social consciousness and philosophical thought. It compels us to reconsider fundamental questions about reality, locality, and determinism. Does reality exist independent of observers? Can effects propagate faster than light non-locality? Is the future predictable if we have complete knowledge of the present determinism? We're also at the dawn of a new age with quantum technology. Quantum supremacy, where quantum computers perform tasks no classical computer feasibly could, is no longer a far-fetched concept but an impending reality. Quantum computing, coupled with quantum cryptography, promises to revolutionize information technology, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. Quantum sensors, another promising area, could vastly improve measurement precision, impacting fields as diverse as navigation, healthcare, and climate monitoring. Quantum networks, leveraging entanglement, could allow teleportation of information, creating an entirely new paradigm for communication. Thus, the importance of quantum physics is undeniable. It's not just an abstract field of science with implications restricted to esoteric corners of scientific study. It is a key player in our understanding of reality, underpinning a myriad of technologies that define our daily life and offering a blueprint for future advancements that will shape humanity's journey in the time to come. Quantum physics, therefore, is not a mere academic curiosity. It's an essential element in our continuous endeavor to decipher the secrets of the universe and leverage them for technological advancement. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.